chill out. Pretty dope. Are you recording? Mm-hmm. So today we're in Girdwood, Alaska, photographing a temperate rainforest south of Anchorage, and I'm going to be walking around on some hikes and taking you guys along, exploring the town as we go, and try to make some really interesting photos on film. Crisis averted. So I'm shooting on Ilford HP5 Plus 400, and I also have a roll of Kodak Gold 200 in this already, and we're going to be walking around photographing. Potentially using a tripod, depending on how the light is. It's pretty dense in there, so we'll kind of just see how it goes, I guess. I'm glad we brought the tripod. Goodwill tripod. It's kind of faded, but I only got it for 12 bucks, and it's probably the best tripod I've ever used. Totally just like uncontrolled. Oh, I'm way too close. Hopefully that one didn't come out too blurry. This ground is like super soft, so it was like, you can see the wobble. It's kind of what I get for going off trail, I guess. So in this camera right now I have Portra 400, and then I also have a roll of Ilford HP5 400, black and white. And I think the Portra is going to pick up the greens like super well, but the black and white's going to really play off of the green. We're going to get a lot of texture when we're walking around these like kind of like really decorated woods around here. So as we kind of explore, I'm going to be looking for a lot of like texture, but just the overall like density of these woods is like super interesting and fascinating. It creates a lot of depth for me, and so that's just trying to figure that out. Now we have people coming, so I'm going to start hiking, but I need to go like a little bit wider. So I'm going to be shooting this one on the 35. Ooh, we got a little flash. It'll be interesting to see how that turns out. Cool. So I'm just light metering right here. I'm shooting on a tripod because even with a pretty low aperture, I'm still having to shoot at like 1/15th of a second. So there's not too much light because it's pretty overcast out here. It's not too much light, and so it's pretty dark and not very contrasty, which is fine. Which is honestly kind of better. We can always add contrast in the scan. But we just have to be working with a lot less light than we have been in the past. So. Oh. Maybe like this shot where the trees kind of right. eat it. Four, 3-2. I might just take it handheld from here. Try to make as little movement as possible. I just used the last shot of my color. Now it's black and white time. Imagine I popped it open and it's just like falling in there. This is like a good creative exercise for me because I feel like limiting myself to such a tight lens in a really like tight environment, it's really kind of helps me try to find like unique things of the forest so I can center in on rather than like gathering the whole aspect of the forest, which can kind of build a bigger story. A little under, like a half stop under, but like there's like no light because of how overcast it is. That was awesome. It's probably not gonna look super cool, but it's kind of an interesting view. Oh, you know what? That's like looking better though. Got some chicken, some garlic parm to fuel us. We're gonna go photograph of Glacier Creek. So I'm pretty much done with my film. I brought 2 rolls of film, one black and white, one color, and each medium format roll is like 10 shots, 10 to 12. But this camera only shoots 10, and I'm already at 18. I have 2 more left. We're gonna head back, try to get a shot on the way back, on the road back, and then just go from there. I had chicken in my teeth, bro. In that last that last shot, I had chicken in my teeth. Let's get on the road. Seems like every like film video we watch has some sort of like diner scene. We don't have a diner scene, but we have pizza sticks, so that's all we need. Like just like so jacked awake. Got it. That was worth it. The two helicopters. I can always get this shit. Perfect. I thought I had 8, but I have 9. There's a car, but that's okay. I think it'll still look really cool. Well, we just finished up our last roll for the day, and so I'm gonna get these rolls back to the lab and get them developed and check back with you in a little bit, in a few days.